Hello friends, welcome back to our Resume Developer. In today's video, we are going to be solving a common problem in Java, removing a specific element from an array. We will break down the code step by step and understood how it works. So let's start our code. Okay, first of all, here is my function name main, and in this function I have taken an array which is declared as an ARR, and after that I am taking an integer name n, which is a specific value which we want to remove from. That's that value which we want to remove from that particular array. Okay, so first we get the length of an array. So the length of an array we are getting through the integer l. So through that arr.length is the method through which we get the length of that array. Okay, after that we initialize a count variable to 0. It is because we want to keep track on every new array size. Okay, so it's the basic. I hope you understand this. Okay, after that, next we should, in every method, in every program, in every problem, I have said you, first of all, in array problem we should iterate that array. Okay, so this for loop is used for iterating that array. If the current, and in this I have a loop, if loop. This loop is basically for if the current element is not equals to n, means the n is the number which we want to remove. Okay, we are comparing both of them. If the array of I means the one is not equals to n, no. If this condition is true, then it will move further and further, and as so on. Okay, after that, so we move it to the front of the array and increase the counter. Okay, every time we are increasing the counter, and if this condition is true, then we are assigning array of I to the array of count variable. Okay, so it's the basic. It is very simple. After that, after we move all the elements that are not n to the front of the array, we create a new array of size count. Okay, so we are using a third variable, means second array type new array. In this we are initializing the count. Okay, so after that, this is because we want to hold our elements in that array. Okay, after that it is used, we are going to just pass our numbers in the new array. So after that, this loop is basically for printing that element which we are gotten in the new array. Okay, so here's the problem through which we want to remove a particular given number from the array. So in this, if I am going to give 2, so I want to remove a second element, two element from this array. So the 2 will be on first index. So if I run this code, just see the output. What's the output? So 1 3 4 5. So here we successfully remove the second number 2. Okay, so thank you if you have understand. So thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to Resume Developer for more programming tutorials. If you have any question or suggestions for the future videos, leave a comment down below. And until next time, so happy coding.